Let me ask you this:
like
when you do hit the snooze button, it does something to you psychologically, right?
Absolutely.
Do you feel like the days that you hit the snooze button, that your productivity is a little less productive than the days that you don't? Like obviously you're crushing the wholesale game. What's on the horizon? Like, do you have other ambitions? Do you want to morph the wholesaling thing to another real estate gig, drop shipping? Like entrepreneurs were always forward thinking.
Right.
What do the next 5-10 years look like for Eric Bryant?
Man, I'm working on next year, really. I mean, really, just really expanding the wholesale business while that's going good.
Yep.
You know, while the market's doing, I don't know if the market's however everybody else is doing, but for us right now, you know, it's going good. So we're just really just trying to capitalize on that, maybe expand into a couple different other markets and just hit it hard.
Yeah.
Hit it hard.
Put your head down, right?
Put your head down and hit it hard. And sometimes, and you know, I get that I work a lot, but it's like I don't want to miss this opportunity. You don't know how long this window that we have is going to be open.
This is harvest season, right?
This is harvest season.
The seeds have been planted, bro. They were getting planted when you maxed out your credit to get into mentorship, right? They're being planted, those first sales calls. Mm-hmm. Slowly, they're nourished, right?
Exactly.
The water, nourishment, sunlight sprouting down, little sprouts and buds popping out of the dirt, bro. But right now, it's harvest season,
Exactly.
bro.
You got to rake up, man. You got to rake up.
Yeah.
All that hard work that put in the last 2.5, 3 years is starting to, you know, be fruitful. So now it's like, okay, now that I have we're having a good run, even better. We were already having a good run. Now we're having an even better run. I gotta go hard. I gotta go twice as hard.
Yeah.
Right. Got to. It's only right. And that's the thing. I'm to the point where I'm like, you're not gonna outwork me. Like, had a big week last week, right? Still gonna wake up at 4:30 in the morning. Still gonna get after it. You're not gonna outwork me. Right. That's it, man. That's it. I feel like that's another one of my superpowers. Like a lot of people say they work hard, but I listen to a lot of Eric Thomas.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this man's talking about he's waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I can't get there, but shoot, if I can do 4 o'clock, 4:30,
You want to succeed as bad as you want to,
right. And if I get to 4:30, maybe 4 o'clock, I might be able to beat a few people out.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm always gonna work hard, man. I'm gonna work smart now. As well, you work hard, work smart. It's a wrap. You're gonna start leaving people in the dust. So,
piggybacking on that, what does your routine look like? Let's go through like your morning rituals.
Gotcha. Yeah, which is. I'm glad you asked the question because morning rituals are like, it's like my morning discipline. It gets me in the right mood and sets the tone for my day. Right. Yeah. So, morning time I'll wake up. I'll meditate. I'll meditate for 10-15 minutes. And in that meditation, it just could be just clearing my mind. It could be future visualizations of, how I see the future, right? It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. If I feel like my mind is just kind of everywhere, I might need to just have like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just deep breathing and cleansing, just like my spirit, right? So I'm doing that for 10 to 15 minutes. Right after that, I'm praying, God, thank God for everything I got and everything that's coming, health, without him, nothing goes on, right? So I'm praying, then I'm working out. Got mind, body, soul, right? So I'm working out, I'm getting my pump in for the day. I don't drink coffee. So like the workout, that's my coffee. I got my headphones in, I'm jamming, I'm pumping, I'm running, I'm doing all that for 45 minutes, an hour. I just implemented reading now. I used to hate reading. Now I've just kind of mind hack myself and say, I love reading, right? So now I'm reading 15, 25 pages a day. Just depending on where I'm at in the day, or in the morning, just where I'm at in the morning, and how much time I have left, or how much tasks I have to get done. Then I'm planning out my day. Hey, I got this, and this. Usually I plan out the day before, and then I just revise it that morning. And then I'm getting to work. 6:30, sometimes 6 o'clock. No later than 7. I'm already working.
What time do you wake up?
4:30.
Yeah. You beat me by 30 minutes, bro.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes I do hit that snooze and I get to 5, right?
Let me ask you this: when you do hit the snooze button, it does something to you psychologically, right?
Absolutely.
Do you feel like the days that you hit the snooze button, that your productivity is a little less productive than the days that you don't?
I haven't really taken any notice to that though.
Dude, I feel like clockwork, bro. If I hit the snooze button, my productivity levels are not anywhere close to my full potential.
Yeah.
Because it triggers something psychologically in your head. It's like, yeah, you're procrastinating. I should get up, but I'll just one more, 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. And you're training your brain, dude, to procrastinate, right? And so how we do anything is how we do everything, right? And we're creating small, little habitual patterns that we don't even realize we're doing, right? But it's like the first thing you can do when you wake up, bro, if you just hop out of bed.
Yeah,
boom,
hop out of bed, boom.
Get up. It's like, that's how you set the tone for the day, bro.
Exactly.
I hit the snooze button too. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it
But
ain't like we're human, it happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
I feel it, bro. I feel the difference.
Yeah. Get up, you get that day started one. And I do try like little hacks too, like put your phone across the room. So you gotta get up once it goes off and things like that. So just certain ways to discipline yourself.
I feel like once you're in the routine though,
once you're in the routine,
firing off, bro, on all cylinders, it's like boom, you hop out of bed and you're ready.
Excited. What's the day? What we got today?
Yeah.
Where we going? What can we accomplish?
It's an amazing feeling, bro.
Exactly, man. Love it, man. Love it.
Yeah. Right now, just full transparency in my season of life, I'm fighting for that, bro. Right? Because I'm in a semi procrastination state, right? I'm still operating to, I say, my best potential. I'm not nearly there.
Oh yeah.
But dude, when I was on 75 hard, dude, that thing, you literally operate like a machine, bro. Whole nother gear, right?
So how was that? Because I'm starting that on next year. Starting it.
The new year?
New year.
Dude, 75 hard just turned me into a machine.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way to put it, bro. It made me, what Andy Frischella says, not listen to your bitch voice. Right?
Yeah, right.
I stopped tuning out to that little voice in the back of my head that's like, you're good. You don't have to do this right now or put it off. That voice that's just kind of whispering seeds of doubt, right? Procrastination. It makes you bypass that, bro. Where you're just making decisions on the fly based on principle, right? Based on where you want to go.
Yeah.
And I think as human beings, if we all operated in that space, dude, the sky's the limit, dude.
Absolutely. Discipline, man.
We should start it, bro, January 1st.
I'm on vacation till the 3rd, so I'm going to give myself a day after I come back from vacation, and then I'm going to do
Let's get a little accountability group.
Oh,
bro.
yeah. Andrew's in, and I know Andrew's in on it too. So I'm with it. I'm going for it. Because I think, doing that and then scaling at the same time,
go hand in hand.
Just go hand in hand, man. It's going to take you places. Doing it because you're going to be on a different level of focus. You're going to be zoned in. You're going to be locked in. No procrastinating. Because once you get into those routines and they're solid, it's like you come in, you know exactly what to do. It's just your mind's just in a different zone.
Yeah. Would you say, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, it takes a lot of bandwidth, right? Like,
a lot.
Do you ever have the days where it's like 3, 4 o'clock and your mind just like, whoa, you're wonked out, bro? Either staring at a screen or just thinking about the 10,000 activities that need to be done, trying to focus on one, but in the back of your head, there's all these different.
Yeah.
Dude, it's exhausting sometimes, huh?
It is. And don't get me wrong, I have days like those, and it's like, man, I'm done for the day. So like, we all have those days, like, I'm done, but it's okay to be done for the day. Like, you just got a lot going on, you're not focused. Just come back the next day and hit it hard. There's been plenty of days that I'm like, all right, man, it's just so much crap going on. I can't do it no more. Like, but the next day, I've always woke up, went at it, smack hard.
And you started with your mindset routine, right?
Exactly.
You didn't skip that because that's paramount. You skip that, you're done.
It's a wrap. And when I do find myself getting out of that routine, I feel myself getting sluggish.
Yeah.
Right. I feel it just my whole body's out of whack. Like you didn't have your coffee.
Yeah.
Right. That morning routine, that's my coffee. That's how I get started.
Straight up.
That's it. Gotta have it, man. That's how my engine gets running. Once I do that, I'm ready to attack the day. Because I gotta be ready for my people now. It's not just me. Now it was me, I could, maybe slack off a little bit more. Even though I was never doing that, I've always been trying to do things with a sense of urgency. Now that I have people behind me, and I have people that I'm responsible for, I'm responsible for their families, cutting a check, I'm like, dang, I can't even slack off if I wanted to.
Yeah, they're counting on you. Counting on you to put food on the table, bro.
Like, I used to work Saturdays and Sundays, but now it's like working Saturdays and Sundays it's not a thing. I got to make sure they're straight. I I gotta make sure we ready for the work week on Monday.
So you take off Saturday and Sunday, just
So Saturdays we work probably half a day, and half a day is probably like 3 o'clock. Sundays, it's like, okay, I gotta get my life together.
Yep.
You know.
Yep.
Do all
You
things
need
in your
that
life.
rest day, bro.
Right. You need the rest day. But Sunday night, I'm making sure, like, okay, maybe an hour before, I'm planning out my week. I'm setting the goals for the next week. I'm just making sure that I have everything in order to get ready to go the following week. It's like my planning stage before I go to bed.
Yeah.
Every Sunday. Every Sunday. So I do get a little bit of time off, but like Sundays is mainly like my day I take off. Because if I work Sundays, I can feel it through the week. I feel myself getting sluggish on day. Every time I work like those weekends, I feel myself getting sluggish on like day 10 or day 12. One of those days, and then now I got to take a day off in the middle of the week.
Yep. Your body will tell you, bro. You got to listen to it, right?
I had to take a day off in the middle of the week, and I'm like, okay, I just can't do it today. I got to take off.